Hi everyone, welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we are going to be making this number 2 as part of our number series. If you're interested in making any other numbers that look like this, then go ahead and check the links in the description and you should see the other videos in my series. To get started, grab your size G or 6 crochet hook and some size 4 medium weight acrylic yarn. To begin, we're just going to attach the yarn to our crochet hook and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Once you have your 3 chains in place, just go ahead and turn them slightly so that you can see this back bump area. From here, we are going to place 11 double crochets in that first back bump. So it would be the third one from your crochet hook. Just like this. So go ahead and place 11 double crochets and I'll meet back up with you there. Once you have your 11 double crochets in that back bump, it should look something like this. Now, instead of connecting our circle, what we're going to do is we're just going to chain 11 off of it. From here, we're just going to turn our chain again and we are going to place a double crochet in the third back bump from our crochet hook. And place 1 double crochet in each of these back bumps back here. And once you've placed all of your double crochets, it should look something like this. So all you want to do is go back to this original circle where we were placing our double crochets and place a slip stitch. From here, you're just going to want to tie off your yarn. And now all you want to do is flip it over so that it looks like that, and then you're just going to fold your 2 over. Now from here, it's up to you. I usually just iron it down so that it stays in place like this. But if that doesn't work very well for you, you can always attach it using another strand of yarn. Just kind of pinch it down right there where the overlap is. But otherwise, we are done. We have made our 2. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to crochet this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.